Dan Land Pro here with another tutorial. Just had my worship and praise on. Had a good sermon today. Anyway, what we want to show you, we spoke about faceless videos. So we already showed you how to go into Premiere and make your faceless videos. I'm going to show you how you can generate images for your faceless video after you get your idea or your niche. And what I do is I use Adobe Photoshop, which is generative workspace, or you can use Firefly. The reason I use generative workspace because I can save similar images all together in say fours. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop. We're going to use a long form platform. We're going to use this to show you how to bring in some generative images for your faceless video. So just go up here. We're going to hit edit. And you see where it says generative workspace. I'm going to hit generative workspace. You're going to get a generative workspace menu. Okay, so I already got some images in here, as you can see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and then I'm just going to give it a prompt down here at the bottom and say, make images about outer space. And this is just a basic prompt command, and then I'm gonna hit generate. And you see it gave me 4 choices as to those images as far as out of space. Now, all I got to do is click right here, and you see we can download those images. So I can download each image into a file. So if I just click right here and hit download one image, and then you download this image, and then I can hit create me some more. So I'm gonna hit generate again. And you see it's gonna give me 4 more. So say I wanna use maybe 10 images or 14 images. It depends on how long you want your faceless video to be. And then you can add a couple of things to that prompt and it'll generate those particular images. You save all those images into the same file. That way when you get ready to go into Premiere Pro or whatever your editing suite is, you just bring those images in, put them on a timeline. You may want each image to be maybe 5 to 7 seconds, and then you can have your transitions, and then you can have your voiceover and your captions on top of it. That's pretty much how I generate images for my faceless videos using generative workspace in Photoshop. Okay, that's pretty much it. As you see, it's pretty easy to just generate images based on speaking to the prompt and then saving those images into a file and then bringing those images into Premiere Pro. And then you can edit those images however you want and add your voiceover from 11 Labs or add your music or your stock music, etc., etc. Post it up on your social media. Hey, my name is Dan Land Pro. It's always a pleasure. YouTube.com, Steppers Express, Webmaster Dan, or Dan Land Pro. Till next time, don't forget to hit that subscribe and that like button. Peace.